Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to stop auto formatting dates in Excel. So open Excel. Now once you type here date, so as we can see it's auto adjust the date. So to remove auto formatting, click on any empty cell, right click on it, then here click on format cells. Now here select text, then click on OK. Now type your desired date. So as we can see now you will see not auto format. Right click on any empty cell, format cells, and select here text, then click on OK. That's it. Thanks for watching.